this is his reason why he wants to withdraw, is no longer practicing appellate work or accepting court-appointed appellate cases, which would make continued representation a hardship. So I've said this. If I've said this once, I've said it 1,000 times. I don't think lawyers should be forced into doing this. If lawyers don't want to handle this work, I don't think they should be forced into doing it. I don't want to do it, so don't force me to do it. I'm not on these lists. I don't want to do it. When you're in a situation like this where he's like, I don't want to do appellate work and I'm not doing court-appointed work anymore. Problem is, he signed up for it. He signed a contract. He's done some of the work. He's got paid for some of the work. The other problem is he's had this case now for 8 months, and now we're looking at it's July 30th, assuming nothing's happened yet. This should be done in 30 days. So how much of a hardship is it really for somebody that's, and again, I don't know his background. Has he been practicing appellate law for a long time? I assume if you get on the court appointed list, you know what you're doing. And now with 30 days left for Sarah Boone, he is saying it's going to be a hardship for him to finish. I don't love that excuse, but he signed up for it. And if I'm the judge, I'm not going to be real happy about this because now I'm going to have to appoint a new lawyer. He's going to have to look through all the transcripts. He's going to have to come up with his own issues. He's going to have to meet with Sarah Boone, talk to her, explain it to her. That's going to delay and extend the time. Now, what you can do if you're looking like, Peter, what's he supposed to do? Take your name off the court-appointed list. Do not take any more court-appointed cases. Finish out the court-appointed cases you have. And I think we always have to say, take everything that Sarah Boone says with a grain of salt. That doesn't mean that everything she's saying is true. It doesn't mean everything she's saying is false, right? So assuming arguendo that it's true. I think if I was the judge, I would let him off. The reason I would let him off is because Sarah Boone wants him off and he wants him off. And it's a situation where it seems like neither party really wants to do this. And if I was Sarah Boone, I would definitely say I want a lawyer who wants to do this. So even though it's going to delay the process, even though it's not ideal, even though I wish this lawyer would just finish it out, he's got 30 more days potentially to when the appeal is due, then of course there could be oral argument. It's not like the job ends, and I understand that. But to me, I think if I was going to guess how this is going to end, Sarah Boone is in fact going to lose lawyer number 11 and will be looking to meet lawyer number 12, who hopefully will provide the service that he should or she should, do the job, appeal the case for Sarah Boone.